This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Diesel fuel filter renewal. Open the driver's door, reach under the fascia and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the safety catch, then fully open the bonnet. The fuel filter is mounted in the right-hand front corner of the engine compartment. Place rags around the filter to absorb any fuel that may be spilled. Remove the torque screws securing the filter housing cover. Prise up the cover and move it to one side. Remove the old filter element from the housing. Draw off the fuel and any water residue from the housing, then insert the new filter element. Remove the old O-ring seal from the cover, fit the new one and lubricate it with clean engine oil. A new seal is normally supplied with the filter. To help the engine restart, fill the housing with clean diesel fuel. Refit the housing cover, tighten the retaining screws securely, then remove the rags. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.